Hey, what's going on? You guys are not going to believe this. I'm going to show you guys this weather out here. Holy moly. It is crazy. The blizzard of 2019. Let me show you something first. Look at this. Hanging up on my wall. Got my success is my duty jar. My article from the Huffington Post. Written up by David Lee Jensen, my buddy. Look at this. This is one of my favorite quotes in the world right there. But I got to show you guys something. Outside. Wow. Hold on a minute. Let me take you on a journey. Hey, who doesn't have a gymnastics mat right in the middle of their family room? Good Lord, because going to the basement would be too much. Okay, look. Can't really, not gonna be able to see. And the homie ain't going out there, so hold on a minute. Let me shut off this light. You can't even really, all you can see is snow. Like it's blowing, like it's crazy. Seriously, we went out in it earlier. Hang on a minute. Let me see if I can get a better view. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it's literally, like it's so, let me see. I'll open this door up. I don't know if I'll get it closed. Holy crap, it's cold. Look at this. I mean, it is 0 snow in Pittsburgh, dude. Are you serious? Dude, we have got so much. We have got so much snow. And you know what the worst part is? The worst part is the wind. And the temperature has dropped. The temperature has dropped dramatically. I mean, it has dropped. Look at this. That cat doesn't like me. He runs. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, like they said we were going to get some snow, and I'd say right now we've probably gotten about, I don't know, we went out to dinner tonight against my better judgment, and it was bad. Like we were gone maybe an hour, a little over an hour, and when on the way back, I mean, it was bad. there was no road. It was literally, you're just kind of guessing, and because it was completely drifted over. I don't even know how I got through it, but we did. We made it back. So the cat just runs. Like, what the heck's wrong? Sometimes he'll be sitting there, I'll walk up and I'll go, hey, and I'll pet him. And then like other times he just like runs. It's weird. Kind of weird. Miss New York City. Love the cat. Hey, how's everybody doing? Anyway, I just want to jump on and show you, if you didn't see the shot of the snow, I'm not going out here. I'll show you one more. I'll show you one more time if you guys want to see it. I'll open up the side. Maybe I'll open up the front door. Yeah, there we go. Here's Abigail sitting at her desk. What you doing, Abigail?
Eating apples.
Eating apples? Playing a game?
Watching YouTube.
Huh?
Watching YouTube.
Oh, watching YouTube. Here, let's see what's going on out here. Oh, we got dog covered in snow at the front door. Stay back. What are you doing? You're covered in snow, dude. There's my wife out there. What are you doing? You want in? Come on in. Sit, come here. Sit, stay. You have snow all over your face, bro. What are you doing? Why are you barking? Ready? Look at his face. Sit. Sit. All right. Down. Hey, Marley, down. 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 Oh my gosh. All right, go. Go get her. Wow. Okay. It's a lot of snow. Go on. It's a lot of snow. It really is. It's a lot. Now the dog's freaking out. All right. So, yeah, it's a lot. I hope that's snow. So do I. Holy moly. Yeah, it's let's see. I think we have probably 6 to 8 inches of snow. I'd say somewhere in there. It's quite a bit. It's not really. I mean, I guess it could be considered a what. I don't even know what makes a blizzard. It's not as much the snow as it is the weather or the wind and the temps. The temperature is supposed to get down to like 9 or 10 degrees tonight, I think, maybe a little lower. And tomorrow I saw at 9 a.m. the wind chill factor is supposed to be minus 17 degrees here. So, and if you've never experienced that, let me explain it. If you think you don't have nose hairs, walk outside when it's minus 17 degrees, and you will quickly find out that a mild dusting. If you think you don't have nose hairs, go outside when it's minus 17, and you will quickly find out that you actually do. Tiffany, hey, I ain't rooting on the Saints and their cheating refs that stole the game from the Steelers. Jill's out there with the little dog, or she's not anymore, I don't think. Anyway, it's cold. It's really, really cold out there. Lots of snow. Just wanted to share that with y'all. Hope you have a great night. Hope your Saturday has been awesome. That's the true test. I'm serious. Like when you walk outside, they didn't cheat. I said the refs cheated. Linda Ann Barber's in the house. Linda, back me up on this. The Steelers, we all know, should have won that game with the Saints. Let's just be real about it. But whatever. They won. They won, man. So I believe a couple of refs did get fired, however, but we won't talk about that. Like Bounty Gate. Come on, man. Anyway, so all right, listen. You guys, Super Bowl champs. Right. Good luck. Good luck with that. So listen, you guys, Steelers won. That's right, Linda. Thank you. See, I ain't the only one that saw the refs cheating. Like they got paid off or something. What was that all about? Anyway, hey, listen, I ain't no hard feelings. Like, I don't, maybe a little bit. Not too bad, though. Not towards the Saints. The Saints are awesome. It was the refs, man. Come on, dude. You know that. Even if it would have been the other way around, I would have been the same way. I don't want to see your idea. Oh, Lord have mercy. Anyway, hey, listen, I got to go. I had somebody just text me, wants me to call him real quick. So I got to make a quick phone call to a client, and I'm going to let you all go. Did you see the comeback last week? Did I see that? I think I was trying to avoid watching the Saints. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I saw it, man. I saw it. So listen, you guys, hey, if you didn't see the blizzardous conditions I just showed on camera, make sure you back this thing up, man. After I end this, go back and watch the replay, because it's some crazy weather out there. I know, dude. I saw it. That was impressive. And they didn't even have to have refs to help them. Like, that was impressive that time. It's okay to be a Saints fan. Oh, man. Yeah. All right, you guys, listen, have a great night. Thank you for popping on here. I will talk to y'all later. See ya. Bye-bye.